Hey, how's it? This is Austin. This is lab 4, I believe, for software for the class Programming for Industry 4.0. So in this lab, we're going to be experimenting with lists and dictionaries and functions. So starting from the top, we have a little dictionary over here with other dictionaries inside of it. Each line is one. The left column is the key and the right column is the value. So let's print it out. And we can see using this for loop for x and y integrated with a print function with text, we can print different things such as tools operated by a certain person. All right, the next one is kind of the same thing, just dictionaries and dictionaries. This one's a little bit different though. These brackets, you can put multiple terms inside of it. So using the same format as the last section, we use for loop, print x and y, and another for loop nested inside of it. We print y and y. So the end result is we get a John's favorite tools are screwdriver, hammer, pliers. Each person has 3 different favorite tools. This is a pretty good section over here. You can stuff multiple values or terms inside of each little key. Okay, so next section starts at line 31 here. And we're doing the same thing on the first section, just using dictionaries and dictionaries. However, I was experimenting more with the bracket system over here with commas. So same thing, Janice has favorite tools, drills, screwdriver, and pliers. Let's print it down here, this little section right here. So just like the last section, each person has 3 different favorite tools. You can stuff whatever term you want. However, this is pretty messy in my opinion. It reminds me of a C++, a little confusing if you don't, if you haven't used it before. And again, for x, y, we use the item print function, and that's how we get this little paragraph down here. So the next section over here, starting at line 54, this is kind of a mock, kind of like a website that accepts user input. So for example, if a user wants to buy a t-shirt online, they can set their size and a custom font on top of it. We use a function over here, and we can stuff 2 terms with it. So again, print function x and y, and the user, for example, would indicate a medium-sized shirt and a text of yeet. And the next section over here, starting at 63, it's the same exact thing as the last one. However, we use x and y over here equals to make it a little bit cleaner. And we have another portion down here that defaults. Say, for example, if you're running your t-shirt business and you ran out of that size that the customer ordered, in this case it'd be a small, and they wanted to put T1000 on as text, so you can't do that. This additional line starting at 70 is a default message over here, right over here. And that's about it. It's pretty straightforward, not too bad. All right, thanks for watching.